How to fix lag in Roblox. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag easily and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top corner and click on Roblox logo, and then click on the settings right here as you can see. And now all what you have to do is make sure to copy my settings as you can see right here. Those are my settings, and make sure to make the graphics mode manual and the graphics quality as lower as possible like this. And then as you can see, I turned off those three options down here. And yeah, it's very easy. And after that, all what you have to do is relaunch your Roblox and it's gonna be fixed. As you can see, there is no lag right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.